Hello, my name is Asara and welcome back to my channel. I will be doing this purple dream look with this purple gorgeous hair that I just actually finished coloring. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, please continue to watch. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Foundation in the color 420. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Chestnut. I'm also using my LA Girls Cosmetic Concealer in the color Chestnut. I'm blending that using my beauty sponge. Blank canvas. I like what you did there. I'm setting my highlight using the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder in the color Yellow Flower. For my eye look today, I'm using the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. I'm going in with this deep purple burgundy color. I'm packing that in the outer corner of my eyes and I'm going to blend it up towards the inner corner. And I'm just going to keep adding product and blending out until I am satisfied. Going back in with the same palette, I'm going to use the shade Teddy Bear. I'm going to use this brown, dipping my crease a little bit. I'm using this lilac purple. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to place this lilac purple on my lid. So this purple lost a lot of its color of the concealer that was underneath it. So I end up having to pack like two layers just for the purple to shine through a little bit. I'm contouring my face using my Sleek Contour Kit in the color Dark. I'm going to add my MAC Raisin Blush right on top of my contour to soften my contour just a little bit. I'm using Stila eyeliner in the color Nude. I'm going to use that for my waterline. With my Laura Mercier in the color Medium Deep, and I'm going to dust out the excess powder and further set my face. Using Artist Contour Diamond Powder in the color Conceited, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. I absolutely love this hair. I just love it. I'm using my BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm going to use the deep purple on the bottom to smoke out the bottom lash. I'm outlining my lip with ColourPop Limbo. I'm using my Becca Ultimate Love lipstick in the color Sugar, and I'm placing that right in the middle of my lip. And I noticed I lost a little bit of my brown. I'm going back in with my Limbo to put a little bit more brown. I'm using Tarte Cosmetic Insta Famous Lip Gloss. Had a little malfunction with my makeup, so I just went in with a concealer and a setting powder to fix it. Setting my makeup with my Morphe Continuing Spray. I'm gonna fan that dry. And this is the look. Thank you guys for watching. I absolutely love this look, and I love coloring this hair. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And let me know how you feel about this makeup look and this hair. I absolutely love these two combos together. Thank you so much and be blessed.